Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off commenting on Instagram. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. First go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on the post you want to turn off comment for. Then tap on the three dots of the post. Now scroll down a little bit and tap on turn off commenting. And then if you go back and open the post again, you will see that there is no option for commenting. Now to enable comments again, tap on the three dots of the post. Then tap on turn on commenting. Now go back and open the post again. And the comments is now enabled on this post. And that is how you can turn off comments on your Instagram post. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.